In this video, I will teach you how to blend a logo in any background in Adobe Photoshop. I have this image as a background. Link of this image is mentioned in the description. Unlock the background layer. Right-click on it and create a new duplicate layer. Now click here and choose New. And name it. And hit OK. Then go to the Image menu, Adjustment, and then Desaturate. Or press Shift plus Ctrl plus U. Go to the Filter menu, Blur, then choose Gaussian Blur. Use these settings. And hit OK. Go to the File menu, and save this file. Now go back to the main image document. Go to the File menu, and place embedded the logo. And adjust its size. Now, go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. Use the settings default. And hit OK. And select this saved file. Now, right-click on it and open the blending options. Go to Underlying Layers. Hold the Alt button and break this point. And follow my settings. And hit OK. And it's done. Isn't it amazing? If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.